Bamfeses.
Sanibonani, igama uBK Sukazi from Ivory Park 1685, and my upcoming single is titled Azwindini.
I'm feeling like Azwindini. I'm feeling like Azwindini. I'm feeling like Azwindini.
On the song is Paneno Zek, the tragic production. We have beautiful vocals from Ande Natai, and then I also worked on M16, featured M16 there.
Or maybe a soap because laying on story, man, we never really stop branding. I'm busy actually navigating, cause you'll never guess what I'm sipping. Each one you walk on no James Samai, that's the distance we're going. My hands are allergic to emotions, that's why I'm never catching feelings. But I'm catching these tracks and in Kulena rap, man, you can say we are siblings. Just give me the throne, stop playing. Aspire to marry 3 women. I'm chief, watch how you address me. I watch you undressing, I told her, Dindi, can you be my Susan? Start a event, I say penduli heaven. Sipping champagne, we got from Limpopo, we don't find no purpose for Pachali. Trying to make a meal like Oli Sono. But the meal, but shell is cock up, but dog I got balls like I'm Thomas Sono. I'm coming, get out of my throne, man. I'm feeling like a Zundini. 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 I'm feeling
So check me out, uBK Sukazi, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, X, not Twitter, Instagram, and then on YouTube.